To put on your FlexSafe ankle recovery orthosis,
Begin by loosening all the straps and removing the anterior shell. Then open the soft good by detaching the hook and loop closure. Slide your foot into the soft good, making sure your heel is positioned firmly against the back of the plastic shell.
fold the optional toe cover over and attach it to the top of the soft good. Then pull the soft good snug.
Secure it using the hook and loop closure. Place the anterior shell on top of the soft good. Then, starting at the toes, lay the strap over the shell and feed it through the D-ring. Pull to your desired tension and secure it with the hook and loop closure. It should be snug but not tight. Repeat this process at the ankle and again up the lower leg, ensuring each strap is snug but not too tight.
To create a comfortable fit,
Press the bladder to inflate it. Add air until it feels comfortably secure. If you need to reduce the pressure, simply press the pressure release button. And that's it. Your FlexSafe ARO is now properly fitted and ready to support your recovery.